The Dragonfly, a tale of speed and elegance. It was no ordinary insect, it was a master of the skies, capable of darting, hovering, and even flying backward. As it zipped through the air, it spotted a mosquito and, with lightning speed, snatched it mid-flight. The dragonfly had become a guardian of the pond, keeping the mosquito population in check. It danced through the air, its wings moving independently, allowing it to maneuver like a tiny aerial acrobat. The other creatures watched in awe, marveling at its agility and grace. Fun facts about dragonflies. Butterfly. Ancient flyers, dragonflies have been around for 300 million years, even before dinosaurs roamed the earth. Some prehistoric relatives had wingspans of over 2 feet. Rocket speed demons, they can fly at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest insects in the world. Eye supervision, with 30,000 lenses in their compound eyes, dragonflies can see in almost every direction at once. Direct hit. Perfect hunters, they catch their prey 95% of the time, making them one of nature's most efficient predators. Water wave. Water warriors, before becoming adults, dragonflies spend most of their lives as aquatic nymphs, hunting underwater with extendable jaws.